Hello, everybody. It's John Wallace. I want to go over some ideas that you can use to build your credit and repair your credit. If you got a lot of derogatories and negative things, like you owe student loans, or you got, you know, uh, what is it? Payments that you owe, creditors coming after you have been sent to collections, et cetera, on your account. You can, if you're not able to remove these derogatories, you can suppress them by adding, positive credit information to your profile. Okay. So when we say positive credit information, we mean, primary accounts, payment accounts, reoccurring accounts in good standing. There are ways to have your rent reported as a good credit on your credit profile. Did you know that? Yeah, there's opportunities out there where you can, there's a company out there that will report your credit. And the great thing about reporting your rent as you're on your credit profile is that they do not report negatives. Okay, so for example, I'm not going to go through the whole process because that's not what's here on the screen that I'm here to talk about today, and I will do that in another video. But the process would be every month they will contact your landlord and just follow up with your landlord if your rent has been paid on time for that month. Now, if your landlord was to reply, no, it hasn't been paid, they wouldn't report that to the credit bureau. They would wait till it's paid so they could receive a positive reflection, and they'll report that. If not, they'll move on to the next month, but they don't report any negative. So you have a lot of ways out here to suppress negative information. If it cannot be removed, you want to suppress it with positive credit information. Okay, so now on the screen is one of those opportunities. This is selfinc.com. It's self.inc. And what this company basically does is that you fill out an application and you apply for a loan, right? And once you approve for the loan, I don't think it's that you approve for the loan like you're approving for a loan from a bank. You apply for the amount that you're willing to pay every month, that you're able to pay every month. And what they do is that they put this loan into a secured account that you cannot access. All right. And every month that you pay on time for your loan, at the end of your agreed payment schedule, they unlock that account and you receive the money that you paid towards the loan plus any interest minus fees. Now imagine getting a loan that that you can't qualify for, pay on that loan, and at the end of your contract, say if it's for 12 months, you get that money back plus interest. Plus every single month, positive information is being reported to your credit profile. Okay, so you apply for a credit builder account, as you can see here on the screen. You pay off your credit builder account in a specified amount of time. You can choose a payment term and dollar amount that fits your budget. So whereas if you had applied for a normal loan, they will tell you how much the installment payments are monthly. Here you can choose your monthly amount, and that would kind of result in how much they're willing to loan you. Okay, each monthly payment builds credit history and adds to your credit savings. Your monthly payments are reported to all 3 credit bureaus. Unlock your savings. Once you have paid off your credit builder account, your CD unlocks and the money is yours minus fees and interest. So I'm going to take you through a little brief tour in the background. Also, this platform allows you to make money as well. So you'll be building your credit. You're going to get a loan, which you're going to receive at the end of your term. Plus, you can make money on it. I mean, this is a business here. You can turn this into a very profitable business. Okay. All right. So let's click on get started. I already have an account, so I'm going to click on login. And as you can see, the first thing that pops up. Now, even if you don't apply for a loan, you can still earn money. You get $10 when you refer a friend. Okay, after your friend has opened their credit account and make their first successful loan payment, you will get a credit of $10. Here's your link. Go share it and have fun, because here is the kicker. All right. Well, anyway, I'll come back to that. So over here, you come over here and you select the plan, right? All right. Your monthly commitment. Now, if I chose a $25 plan, it says today, activate your account by paying a non-refundable administrative fee of $9, right? Next month, pay $25 per month for 24 months. Each month you build credit history with all 3 credit bureaus, okay? So for the first month or whatever time, you access this, you're paying only $9. The next following month, you'll pay $25. After 24 months, you've established credit history and you get $520, right? After 24 months. So let me do a quick calculation. We got 25 times 24. That would be $600 in the account. You're going to receive $520 minus fees, okay? So it's like, a savings account. Do you report to all 3 credit bureaus? Yes. Is it FDI insured? Yes. Can I pay off or close my account early? Yes. Is this a traditional loan? No. Can I spend the loan amount today? No. Is there a hard pull on my credit? No. Okay. Non-refundable administrative fee. This is the interest rate, the annual percentage rate, the finance charge, total amount of payments. So everything comes up to this total amount of payments, okay? And they'll take out this money from your $600. This is the reason why you would wind up with $520, okay? All right, but what if I can afford more? I want to pay $35. I'll be paying that for 24 months. And at the end, it'll be $724. The account would have $840 in it. You see how this is working? 48 months. Now, the higher, the more amount that you're willing to pay, the shorter amount of time. Instead of 24 months, now it's 12 months when you're willing to pay $48. You'll have $539 in the account at the end of 12 months after they take out the fees. Before it's $576. $150. You'll have $1,663 in 12 months out of $1,800. This is easy. Now, if I was you, I wouldn't even play no games. If you're serious about, building credit, positive credit information and getting a loan at the end of the day, I would pay the $150. Why not? You're paying the $150, basically putting it into savings. You're going to get it back at the end. Okay? And there's no telling how many times they allow you to come back and do this. All right? And that's all to it. And you apply. So let's go down here to 25. Let's say apply. You agree to this. Here's all your information. You accept the information. They need to verify your identity. We lend you $520 that is placed into a certificate of deposit bank account. It's called a CD. CD means certificate of deposit. And that account pays you 0.10% and annual percentage yield. Okay, all your information is here. You agree to it and you go through all of this. Now, being that this is sensitive information, I'm not going to go through all that part, but that's basically it. Now, where were we again? Okay, let me come back to the home screen, right? Okay. You remember when I said that you can earn money, right? So here it is, right? If I was to select the plan and say my plan was $25, if I got 2 people to 3 people to join and they paid me $30, that would pay my monthly fee. Every month I could get 2 or 3 people to join and have my monthly fee paid by that. So I won't even be paying into the loan. So hear me out. You can establish your account and before you get your loan, get some credit, get some, sign some people up. But what I would do, activate your account, pay your $9, get 3 people to sign up or however many you need. Get that money in your account. That money can pay your monthly fee. So you'll be getting a loan at the end of 12 months that you didn't even put money into, that you didn't even pay the monthly fee for, because you're referring people to the service. Imagine that. Okay? So consider that. Even at $150, all right? If you had 10 people, that's $100. You'd be paying $50 for the 150 loan, unless you could get enough people, 15 people, the whole $150 to be paid by your commissions. All right, so I just wanted to go over that. If you're in my group and on my email list, you have received an email from me. My link is in that email, or it's under this video. Okay, so please, think about, bettering your credit, and think about platforms like this that wasn't available to us before. They're not going to use your credit score to decide if they should issue a loan. They're going to loan you the money as soon as you register. As soon as you prove to them that you're serious, you pay your $9 and you start paying your monthly, payments. It's simple. It's like opening a cell phone account or a cable account or utilities or Con Ed. You pay, and you pay every month. That's it. It's that simple. You don't have to go through the process of having a hard inquiry on your credit profile. It's not going to be based off your credit score. They're not going to ask you how much you make. You're not, it doesn't go off your salary. It goes off your commitment to them. I advise you to take advantage of this. Even if, you have a good credit score, this will definitely improve your credit score. Make it even better. If you're inside New You Financial and you haven't been approved for credit, or the credit repair process because your credit has been damaged, this can definitely help you. There's other things out there that can help you. So please pay attention to the emails, respond, look at the emails, look at the information, because I'm sharing the information with you. Okay? But it's up to you to take charge, to make a step. To take a step and move yourself into a better credit, position. So here's some information on the referral program. Get paid, refer a friend to self, and you earn $10 when they complete their first successful credit builder account payment. They must join self or log into your pre-existing account. You spread the word and share your unique referral code. You earn $10 once they make a payment. Okay, here's some questions down here. Do you need to have a credit builder account to get a unique referral code? Credit builder account is the account. You're going to have two accounts. You're going to have your self account where you just log in and register. And the credit builder account is once you have, submitted your $9 and paid, started your application towards paying for the loan. It says no, you don't have a credit builder account, which is the loan, in order to start referring others and making money, but you do have to have a self account. Okay, and you can read through this, but how do you get paid? That's what people is mostly interested about. Your referral reward will be distributed from self by check. Self will notify you when your friend's first payment has been completed and issue a check in the amount of $10. Please allow 7 to 10 business days for your payment to arrive. Okay, when do you get paid? Once your referral's first payment has been completed, payments may take up 30 days to process. Once the payment has been completed, you will receive notification and receive a check by mail. The reason it said payments may take up to 30 days to process, they're talking about your payment, because some people, when they pay by e-check. Some are not, paid immediately. Okay, they may pay through a bank account. They may have not had enough money. There may be issues with them making their monthly payment, or whatever the case may be. So they put that there as, a safe spot to give them at least 30 days to process the payment, which I'm, interpreting as giving some more time to the clients to make sure that their account is accurate and in good standing. Okay, they don't want to pay you, and this person is having issues making their monthly payment. That's why they said it'll take at least 45 days, which is 1 month that they paid and half of the next month, and by that time they made a second payment. So they just want to make sure that the person is going to keep, going with their account. Okay, once they receive the payment, Okay. You see how they say once the payment has been completed? This is how you know that this previous sentence that uses the word payment is referring to the client's payment and not your payment. Okay, payments may take up to 30 days process. Once the payment has been completed, you'll receive notification. That's because some people, they date checks. They may pay by check. They may pay by account. It depends, okay? But most people are paying instantly, so this shouldn't take 30 days, all right? Well, you know, take a look at it, go through the account. I suggest that, you know, if you have followed my videos, you see me make predictions on, you know, companies going out of business, companies changing their, you know, compensation plan, changing their structure. It's all been predictive and it all happened. I'm making another prediction right now. I doubt that this is, once this catches on, that this is going to be at the same low cost that it is now. Think about that. Once they have enough clients to come in here and let's go through the pricing real quick and pay $25 with ease. If most people are coming here paying $48 and $50, they may change the lowest amount to be $50 or $150 as the lowest amount, and they may increase the loan amounts. I mean, I can see that happening easily if they get 10,000, 50,000, 100,000 people on this platform. I can see them easily changing these installment amounts. Right now, it's easy for anyone to access this account, but when a business starts making money, okay, and they're in the business of making money, this is going to generate them more income. You understand what I'm saying? Okay, through referrals, you're building their company. So I would take advantage of this as soon as possible. Okay, remember, this is less than a cell phone bill. My Google Assistant just heard me speaking. This is nothing. Your cell phone monthly payment is probably much more than this. Okay, your cable bill. Okay, this is probably your electricity bill, somewhere around here, from $50 to $150. So this is nothing. Okay, I would take advantage of it as soon as possible. Okay, take care and God bless.